RLC Jani Mian sir, principals, all the familiar faces, Memona, Rafia, Madam, vigilance officers, all the teachers, all the principals. I can see brighter faces of my principals. And my dear students, you are the stars. You are the heroes. I am not the hero of the 10 days. My students, my principals, my teachers, you are the heroes of Tamris. I think this Bahadurpura girls one, long back I have visited, and maybe after many years I am coming again to this campus, and the trees are very small. When it was only a sapling when I visited, it was only this much height. Now all the trees has grown up, and it is an amazing growth. Similarly, Tamris also in 2014, it is a seed. It was planted. It was a dream of our Chief Minister KCR sir, and today Tamris has grown into a big tree. Today 204 schools with lakhs of students are benefiting in Tamris family, Tamris tree, and this also started yielding the fruits. Many of our students, they are passing out from our college, schools and colleges. They are getting into IIT, in medical colleges, engineering colleges, agricultural colleges. So I am very lucky. I am a fortunate secretary to see the different phases of Tamris from the starting, sowing of the seeds, the fruiting level. It is a, I am lucky. It is a great opportunity given by our Chief Minister, Honorable KCR sir, and I am not a hero. Okay. Okay, thank you. And recently, I have visited USA, America, United States of America. There is a change of time zone. If it is now it is at midnight. What is the time now? I think it is early morning there. What is the timing in US? 4 o'clock in the morning. So while coming to this campus also, I was sleeping in the car. Then here also I got sleep. But by seeing your faces, by seeing your performance, it is really wakened up. I was awakened, and it is a wonderful performance by our students. And the concept you have talked on is very relevant. Somebody spoke about the positive thinking. Somebody spoke about usage of mobile phones. The topic you have chosen is very relevant, and I really congratulate. And my हर मीटिंग में यही बताता हूँ. Somebody talking about the how to overcome the failure. I also congratulate all the winners, as well as I congratulate all the participants also. So winning and losing is a part of the game. एक president था, American president, उनका नाम George Bush. Have you heard of his name?
Yes.
He was an ex-president. One day he has visited he was invited as a guest, chief guest in university for convocation program, and in the inaugural speech he congratulated all the degree successful completion of degree. He congratulated all the students. At the same time, he congratulated all the failed students also. Then he told that the failed students have the more chances of getting into a president of America, elected as a president of America. That means George Bush also a failed candidate. So failure is an integral part of the failure in our life. Okay? When I got into IFS, I wrote several times. In my third attempt, I cleared the IFS. So failure is an integral part, and many students are disheartened by seeing the failure. That thing I want to see that all our students are having a positive thinking. They have to overcome the failure. Okay? हमारे life में है ना, nothing, everything should not be any good thing. Sometimes you have to face difficulties and failure. Okay? And you should not be saddened or disheartened by seeing the failure. That is the most important point I want to emphasize. And Spark Festival, this kind of program has to be conducted frequently, because in future we have to compete with the not humans. Our students has to compete with the robots. So artificial intelligence, all these things will come up. Many the jobs, maybe I think the teachers may lose the job also in future. Is it true?
No.
Some robots will come and it will teach. Drivers, they are going to lose the job. Driverless car, I don't know. In future, many the repetitive jobs will vanish. That will be done by the machines. So we have to make our student we have to give the education, futuristic education, to face those challenges. So what are the qualities, what are the things we have to be taught? What is the different? Humans are different from the robots. How humans are different from the robots? Emotional thinking. Yes. Creativity, imagination. बच्चों को सिखाना है. If you cooperate with me, we can change our curriculum a little bit. If you cooperate with principals and our staff, we can change, we can prepare our students for the future. Our education system is going to be outdated, but nobody is bothered. Unless we face the problem, then only we will realize it is going to happen. There will be a lot of innovations, integration of artificial intelligence with the biotechnology. Our humans will, part of our body will be having the machines. Some of the brains will, part of the brain will be having the sensors. Nobody will go for any kind of pregnancy. They will outsource it. Okay, that kind of innovation. It is already in the research stage. It's another 5-10 years. We are going to see lot of changes. So we have to make our student futuristic education से future ready करना है. So this kind of program, leadership qualities, promoting the creativity, imagination, these are the very important. Somebody spoke about the mind. That is also very important, because our future depends on how we think, how we act, how we study. Our body is made up of what? Anybody can tell? What are the components of the human being? 5 elements. Simple ga? Cells. Okay, good. Tissues. Bones. Very good. We human beings made up of 3 things. One is the body and the soul. Another important component is mind. Many of us, we are studying about the body. In biology, we have seen what is the nervous system, what is the respiratory system, circulatory system. We have studied, most of us know about the body. Soul के बारे में, have you know? Anybody knows about the soul? Where it comes, where it goes? Any journal, any book, anything, anywhere it is written? Nobody knows. मुझे भी नहीं मालूम है, किसी को नहीं मालूम है. only God knows. But another important component which is making us successful is our mind. Okay? Whether in studies, whether in our professional life, whether in our personal life, knowing about mind is very, very important. Now you tell me, in which book they are teaching the students about the mind? Mind. मैं भी पढ़ा, आप भी पढ़े हैं. I have done my graduation, masters, schools. No books have taught about the mind. But that is a very important thing for our success. ये है ना हमारे schools में from nursery stage से intermediate तक we have to teach them. Positive thinking, positive thinking. Positive thinking is very much needed. We have two types of mind. One is a conscious mind, subconscious mind. Most of our decision is taken by the subconscious mind within a fraction of second. Conscious mind भी decision लेते हैं, but subconscious mind is very powerful. It is like a autopilot. Sometimes even I talk in a phone, I will drive the car. How it is possible? Because over a period of time, because of the repetition, because of the practice, that is already recorded in my subconscious mind. Cricket में तेंदुलकर आके practice करता है. Okay, next में before going to the international match, he do this practicing. Why he is doing? Because of repetition, it goes into his subconscious mind. When the actual match comes, he plays very well. Similarly, when you are studying mug-up and studying for the actual exam comes, so from subconscious mind you recollect all the things you are writing. So knowing about, understanding about our mind is very much needed. Not only in the school life, even after graduation when you are working in some organization, you should know about our mind. Without knowing the mind, no education is a complete education. That's why Albert Einstein, he told that the best education is the training of the mind. है ना? The subconscious mind में जो हम some चीज, it cannot have a differentiation. It cannot understand whether it is you are putting a good thing or bad thing. If you put a good thing, you will become a good person. If you put a negative thing, you will become a negative person. So that is the power of the subconscious mind. So this has to be taught. Please note down. At least basic thing it can be done. ये तो rocket science तो नहीं है. There are certain books are available. Mind के बारे में हम especially in Rajasthan, Kota, it is a big news. Students are going for IIT preparation because of they stressed up. Some of the students, they are going for the extreme end. Why? Because our schools, our teachers, we don't teach about the importance of mind, understanding of the mind. In front of the mirror, you say that I want to become a IAS officer. One day you will become a IAS officer. I am challenging you. That is the power of the education. Our mind. If you have a burning desire, if you have a confidence, if you have a hard work, whatever dream that can be realized one day. Just you say that I want to become an IITian. Your subconscious mind automatically it will take care. Your subconscious mind automatically put you into the process. You will start studying, you will start putting hard work, but only say that with full interest, with full commitment. You say yourself that I want to become an IITian, I want to become a scientist or a doctor. Okay? So that is the power of the subconscious mind. I hope that your dream is our dream. All my principals and the officers, they are putting lot of hard work to fulfill your dream. ठीक है? Only thing is you have to put a effort. All success man has a dream or a goal. Without this goal and dream, nobody should be there. All our students should have some dream. Yes, मैं ये बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं डॉक्टर होना चाहता हूँ. This is the dream you have to, in the beginning, when you are in 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, you should have a strong foundation for your dream. Okay? Because this project, this program, this TEMRIS we have started for the purpose. The purpose is to fulfill your dream. हम लोगों को बहुत खुश होता है when we are very much satisfied our students getting into IIT, NEET clear करके medical college में जाते हैं. Recently myself and my wife visited the America, Auburn University. We have visited. When we landed in the airport, small girl, she was this much height only. She drove a big car. She was the graduate from the Forest College Muluk, जो मैडम के कॉलेज से. She graduated. She has gone to Auburn University. She has completed the masters in Auburn University. She got a very good job, and she came to airport to receive us from 100 kilometers alone. कार से देखे तो कार इतना बड़ा है, उसको ड्राइवर सीट में it is difficult to find her. You see the confidence. You see the we felt very happy. अपना students अगर हम Auburn University, she is getting lot of she started earning lot of dollars. So next time when I visiting the America, our students should come. TEMRIS students should come to airport. You have to pick up them. Sky is the limit. So many opportunities there. We have visited 2-3 universities. They don't see anything else. The life skill is very much important. Along with your subject skills, your leadership qualities, how confident you are, communication skills, your creativity, imagination, and the extracurricular activity, what you are doing now, elocution, essay writing. Some boy came and he played the guitar. They give a lot of importance. Same importance as other science, other subject activities are very much important. If you have a dream to go to foreign countries, extracurricular activities also very, very important. I request all my staff, all my teachers and principals, make it as you give equal importance for extracurricular activities. This is going to help our students. Science, maths तो पढ़ना है, but उसके साथ साथ ये communication skills भी ज़्यादा focus करना है. It will be helpful in all the profession. Whether you become a doctor, you become the bank manager, you become an IAS officer, the communication skills, leadership skills, it is going to be useful in all the profession. Even as a principal, even as a teachers, these skills are going to be met. आज बच्चों को मारना, तोड़ना, गाली गलौज करना, this is not a TEMRIS. This TEMRIS का dream अलग है. We should be in international standards में रहना. Many university I have studied. Even a president of Auburn University he is so big officer. He is the topmost the officer in the Auburn University. He looks so simple. He treats us their colleagues very nicely. है ना? हम कितना झुकते हैं उतना ऊपर जा सकते हैं. This has to be taught. अगर ये हमारे बच्चों को सिखाए, then when they pass out, they will have this character, the habits in their life. So they will be successful. They will get a good name. It's not only a knowledge. That's why in TEMRIS, knowledge, skills, as well as the values. Values are very, very important. That has to be taught in our schools. The principals must note down. Values are most important. In America, I have seen drivers are okay, if you go, they are very polite, they are very punctual. What I learned in the initial year, 1 or 2 years, they give lot of bonding with the university. They will bleed for the Auburn University. They call us Auburn Tigers. Similarly, we have to have that kind of bondage, affection towards the Temris. Each and every teacher, each and every student, they have to respect, they have to work for the Temris. Many of the alumni who have cleared the degree, master degree, they are working, they are contributing lot of money for the development of university. Their budget is $1.4 billion. Some of the childless parents हैं, उनका पूरा property university के लिए they donated. That is a bondage with the university. My son, he wore the Auburn University T-shirt. He visited Niagara Falls. Then some lady, war eagle, she is greeting the my son because she thought that he is from the student from the Auburn University. War eagle बोलते उनका एक ये है greeting. So they have that kind of bondage, respect. Even in the airport, many people they came and wished us. So that kind of bondage with the Temris, that kind of culture, we have to develop in Temris. Temris has to grow as a very good family. We should call as a Temrisian. अपने बच्चे IITian बच्चे doctors पढ़ने के बाद you have to come back to Temris. You have to contribute directly or indirectly. I have seen many students, they got IIT but they don't have money to get a train ticket to reach the Guwahati. One boy got IIT Guwahati, he could not have money to go there. अगर हमारे बच्चे IIT बन के डॉक्टर बन के, if you contribute some money, that money can be used to these kind of poor students. Government will support only up to intermediate. अभी तो numbers कम है. Our principals, they have promised, you have promised that this year hundreds of IIT, hundreds of doctors. I expect that from this Center of Excellence, I want many students going to NEET and IIT, not only the doctors and engineers, lot of scope is there. Don't focus only on doctors and engineers. You have many more fields. Foreign country में, foreign university में, lot of flexibility is there. Many futuristic stem cell में है, microbiology, biotechnology, many other fields are there. You have to expose to our students. Many of our students, they don't know except doctors and engineers. है ना? Even when I was a student, only two options was there, doctor or engineer. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं था. Everybody cannot become a IITian, everybody cannot become a doctor. So many options are available. First the principals level, teachers, you have to understand and you have to give the counseling to the students because every student is a different. Somebody, they will excel as a doctor by nature. Somebody will excel as an engineer. Somebody excel as a scientist. Some of the students today, they have a very good orating skills. They can become a good lawyers. ठीक है? We have to diversify. ये हमारे बच्चों को पहले से सिखाना. Even you have to start from 8th grade itself. उनको बोलना है based on that you classify. These are the options available. You are good at this. Give them some 4-5 options. Let them prepare for since beginning itself. They can have a dream. Yes, I want to become a microbiology scientist. I can become a NASA scientist. Aerospace में भी scientist कर सकते. Many more options are available. इसलिए our principals and teachers, you have to widen up your mindset. You don't think that you are a teacher of तेलंगाना स्टेट, यू हैव टू सी इन ए ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड में आप कंपेयर करना है. आजकल इंफॉर्मेशन इज अवेलेबल इन इंटरनेट, जस्ट यू ब्राउज इट, यू अपडेट योर नॉलेज. ठीक है, दैट कैन बी गिवन टू द स्टूडेंट्स. दैट्स व्हाई इन एवरी मीटिंग आई यूज्ड टू टेल Temris should be like a international schools, international standards में रहेगा. I hope that by God's grace, inshallah, I will make Temris as a international standard schools. Our students, I am very much confident that all over the world, वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया रहने दो, अमेरिका रहने दो, इंग्लैंड रहने दो, every country our students are going to study and they are going to become IITians, doctors, scientists and the lawyers. More options are available. I wish that as a secretary, this Temris family will grow as a big tree and we are going to bring the lot of fruits which will be helpful for our state and our country. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all the best. God bless.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.